Alright, so guided practice number 2 again, when we're doing this, first step is what?
Type in the variables.
Okay, how do we type in the, if my screen looks like this, where do we have to go first?
The shape thing.
Okay, we gotta go to the shape thing, okay, our drop down, and what do we want? Why is it not there?
Spreadsheet.
Right, we want spreadsheet. For some reason the spreadsheet is not there, so I'm gonna go back.
There.
Okay, so now it shows up on the drop down, we want spreadsheet. Alright, so with our spreadsheet it comes up, so now we want to type in our table, right? So in column A, again it's the year since 2003, right? So we're going from 2003 to 2010, so again this is guided practice number 1B. So we're going to start with 0, and we're going to 7, correct? Okay. And then in column B, again it's goals. So in 2003 we're at 63. 2004 we're at 44, and we're at 55. 63, 81, 85, 93, and 84. Okay? So does everybody have their spreadsheet looking like this? 0 to 7, 63 on down to 84. Okay, and the biggest thing is you need to make sure that these are all lined up, because if they're not lined up, then it's not going to graph it for you. It's going to come up, data is unbalanced or something like that. So from here, next step, what do we need to do with our table?
We need to click on the bar graph thing.
Okay, well first thing before I click on the bar graph, I need to highlight my data. Okay, I need to say that I'm using from A1 and drag it down to B8. Okay, so it's highlighted, and then next thing we want is the bar graph, our 2-variable regression analysis. So once I click that, it'll bring up my scatter plot. And if you want, you can kind of hide that grid behind it so I can give myself more room. Okay, from there, we have our scatter plot. Now what do we want? We want our linear regression, right?
We click the none.
Okay, so we click the none. It brings up linear regression. Okay, if I want, okay, again, if they say how many goals did they score in 2015? Okay, or how many goals should we expect them to score in 2015? Well, what are we going to plug in for X for 2015?
12.
Okay, 12, because that's 12 years since 2003. We hit go and it brings up, they should score about 122 goals. Okay, does that make sense? Questions?